Welcome to the city that never sleeps, New York City. Famous for its iconic skyline and bustling streets. Home to diverse neighborhoods like the trendy Soho and historic Harlem. Explore the culinary scene from food trucks to world-class restaurants. Visit the iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty in Times Square. Take a walk in Central Park and enjoy the green oasis in the urban jungle. Experience the vibrant arts scene with Broadway shows and museums galore. Indulge in shopping on Fifth Avenue or browsing the unique boutiques in Brooklyn. Travel back in time at Ellis Island or the Museum of Natural History. Enjoy a slice of New York-style pizza or a bagel with lox. Marvel at the architecture of the Empire State Building and the Brooklyn Bridge. Navigate the city with its extensive subway system and iconic yellow taxis. Discover hidden gems like rooftop bars with panoramic views of the city. People watch in the busy streets and see the melting pot of cultures. Catch a breathtaking sunset from the high line of the Brooklyn Heights Promenade. Embrace the city's energy and fast-paced lifestyle. Celebrate diversity at cultural events and festivals throughout the year. Experience the magic of Christmas in New York with holiday decorations and ice skating. Savor a hot dog from a street vendor or indulge in fine dining. Take a ferry ride to Staten Island and enjoy stunning views of the skyline. Discover the thriving music scene with performances ranging from jazz to hip-hop. Appreciate the city's public art installations scattered throughout its streets. Visit the world-class museums like the Met and MoMA. Experience the excitement of a live sports game at Madison Square Garden or Yankee Stadium. See the city from above at the One World Observatory or the top of the Rock. Explore the vibrant street art scene in neighborhoods like Bushwick and Williamsburg. Experience the beauty of cherry blossoms in Central Park in the spring. Take a ferry to Governor's Island and enjoy a peaceful escape from the city. Discover the thriving fashion industry with designer boutiques and fashion shows. Witness the buzz of Wall Street in the financial district. Bask in the energy of Times Square with its neon lights and bustling crowds. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel to receive all new updates.